Hello everyone and welcome to my print-on-demand channel, and today we will be talking about Redbubble. Is it worth it in 2022, and what you can expect from this platform, what can be your earnings now, and is it the right time to start on Redbubble, or maybe it's too late and you don't have to waste your time on this platform. Yes, of course, print-on-demand business isn't as sweet as it was 5 or 7 years ago, and every next year we have a higher competition, and this kind of business is going to be harder and harder each year. But not all is so bad right now, and let's start with Redbubble. What are the main pros and cons of this platform? The first what I want to mention is about easiness of start for new designers and new users that want to upload their designs. And as for me now, Redbubble is the easiest one from all of print-on-demand platforms, because it's quite easy to register on this platform. You just need to fill some forms and you can start selling almost the same day when you got approved. And it is easy not only with registration, but also with working process. You don't need to spend a lot of time, or you don't need to have different skills to upload your design for Redbubble. You can simply even make some very basic text-based design and try to sell it on Redbubble too. Yes, it's not so good for any niche, any design idea, but it is possible to get sales from simple designs too. And even if you will have some problems with terms and conditions on Redbubble, you will not get a ban for your first violation of these rules. It's really rare to get a ban on Redbubble without a second chance. Usually you will get some letters from Redbubble that you are making something wrong, and you don't allowed to make it again. So that is better than on many different print-on-demand platforms. And even if some of your designs will be violating rules of the platform, deleted will be only this design, but not your account. And of course, Redbubble is a platform where you also can earn some money. Yes, it's a very specific platform with a lot of pop culture designs, and it is working in a different way from many other platforms such as TeePublic or Merch by Amazon or Etsy. Here you need to have some really good trending designs that will sell for a long period of time, and to be honest, you can make a lot of sales from a few designs, and they will be selling each month and for a long period of time. You just only need to find these niches and find these designs. And in the case of Redbubble, it is often in that way that some of your design will not be selling at all for 2, 3 or 6 months, and after that it will start to bring you some sales, and it can get you a stable income after that. Of course, it's connected with indexation in search systems like Google and others, but also after that you can start to have a Redbubble organic traffic after the system will see that your design is selling good already. There are also some specific moments in this platform and how it works. Yes, you can definitely upload your design for a lot of different products for a lot of different merch. As we can see here, you can upload it for a t-shirt, for some mugs, stickers, hats, some mouse pads, and a lot of different items. But of course, in most of cases, the main sales from print-on-demand business came from t-shirt sales. But if we're talking about Redbubble, it is a sticker platform too. You can have a lot of sales from stickers, and I know some sellers on Redbubble that can make more than $1,000 monthly only from selling stickers, and only time to time from t-shirt sales or other different product sales. And it came also from the profits that you get from one sale, and you can adjust that. As you can see, even here from these two stickers, it is a different price. And if we will find another product, for example, like here, these two mugs, also a different price for them, and you can settle which price will you have on your designs, and from the price of the product will also depend your royalty. So the higher the price is, the higher your royalty will be too. And to be honest, if you will have a royalty of $2 from a t-shirt, or for $5-6 from a t-shirt sale, it will not influence your sales very much, because as you can see in this search results, a lot of different variants, they are looking quite similar, and often customers on Redbubble aren't looking at the price because they are thinking that the price will be the same, because it's one platform and the products look really similar. But you can change your profit, your earnings, even in 2 times, only just from your royalty. And you should do this for sure. That's why even from stickers you can get good earnings, because you can also have 1, 2, or even more dollars from one sticker that was sold on the platform. But we also need to talk about negative on Redbubble, and one of negative sides of Redbubble is a high competition. As we can see, even for this search, coffee is my Valentine, here we can find more than 12,000 results, what is really a big number. That's because any designer, any user on Redbubble can upload up to 60 different designs daily, and the amount of competition on Redbubble is really high, and it is not too easy now to find some good not developed niches and get sales from them. You need to research and find some good ideas, and in that way you will have some sales, and you can settle basic income that will be stable on this platform. Another negative moment on Redbubble is about copycats. Yes, you can face copycats on any platform, but from my experience, Redbubble is the main platform for copycats. If you have some good selling design on Redbubble, there's a very high possibility that the same design pixel to pixel will be copied by some of your competitors and uploaded not on Redbubble Redbubble, but maybe on Merch by Amazon or on Etsy or on TeePublic or on some other print-on-demand platforms. And yes, of course, you can try to fight with these violations of your intellectual property, but you can't make a lot, and it is also very hard and long fight. Okay, but let's go to the main question, to the main idea. With all these pros and cons of Redbubble, how much can we earn from this platform now, and how long should we wait for our first sale? Yes, you can make your first sale even in the first day if you will upload some nice design with a good niche, with a good idea, but to be honest, on your first days and months on the platform, you don't need to make your first sale or maybe some first $100. What you need to make on the platform as a beginner is to settle your basic income that will be every month, and that will be not connected with some trends, or maybe even if it will be connected with trends, even when the trends will fall, that you will have some basic sales. And often it came from a lot of different designs. You should of course research, you should of course create different designs and try to find a really good niche. Yeah, to be honest, Redbubble isn't my favorite platform. For a lot of designers, it is a third platform after Merch by Amazon and Etsy sales. But in my case, even TeePublic usually give me more than Redbubble, so I don't like Redbubble platform really much because I had different accounts on these platforms. Not all of them were mine, but the best accounts on Redbubble that I had, they made 300-400 a month in every month, not some holiday months, and it was my maximum on this platform. But of course I know a lot of other designers that can also make $1,000 from this platform, and I also know some guys that started a business on this platform in 2021, and they also have hundreds and even more than 1,000 each months in earnings. So if you think that it is too late to start on Redbubble, I am sure that it's not, and you can also have a lot of sales on this platform. But what I also need to recommend for all beginners is not to start on one platform. In this time you need to upload your designs to many different platforms, at least to upload them to Merch by Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble and TeePublic, but you can also find another platform such as Zazzle, Society6, Spreadshirt, and many other platforms. And the more uploads and sales channels you will have, the more money you will get from your designs. So even with a lot of possibilities that Redbubble can give you, you don't need to stay only on this platform. Now it's not the best variant, and it will always be better to upload for different platforms. And answering the question, is it worth it in 2022? Yes, of course it is. It is a good sales channel, and if you're a designer, even a beginner designer, it is a good sales channel, and you also can get some sales here, and you can grow your income on these platforms that will give you some earnings every month. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel. Here we talk about print-on-demand business. Here are a lot of different niche ideas videos too that are on weekly basis here, and I wish you a good sales, and see you another time. Bye.